Hello, hello! Today we're making curry cheese potato patties! So before we can get here, make sure you have these ingredients. We'll start off with peeling the potatoes. So we like to peel ours with knives, but it's also because we don't have a good peeler. So use what you have. Then cut them into quarters and put them in a medium-sized pot. Fill with water until the water line reaches above the potatoes. Boil for 25 minutes on medium-high heat. Then, test out how soft the potato is with a knife or fork. It needs to pierce through the potato without much resistance. Now drain. Grab something to mash the potatoes with. Unfortunately, all I have is this broken meat tenderizer, so I'm gonna use this. Mash it up. Now add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Now to mix. Okay, so I didn't take a good shot of this, but basically you're going to form a flat circle, put the cheese on top, and then pull up the sides and re-flatten to make it into a patty. So my first one here is really big. I'm naming him Big Boy. And he's going to be the big boy of the group. Oh, I choose to wear gloves, but feel free to use just your hands. 1 patty done. Looks good, right? So next, oil your pan and fry on medium-high heat. Flip once browned. And repeat for the other side. Let's try this out. Which one should I choose? I choose you!
Pikachu? Wow!
It's so cheesy. It tastes pretty good and goes great with ketchup or tamarind sauce too. Oh, but let's not forget about Big Boy. Ooh, Big Boy. Yum. And I was right, big rewards. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos and see you next time. I've reached over 100 subscribers now. I'm really happy with that. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.